Here's Tally in Austin's room wanting some attention. Look, here's his other toy. And he likes that. Look at him. Is he kicking and moving his arms? Oh, here's Crazy Tally. Getting out Austin's clothes out of his clothes basket. You crazy dog. He usually hides them. Get it, Tally. He likes to play with Austin's clothes. This is what he does every time we keep it open. Crazy dog. Here's Austin. You like it? He'll just sit there and kick your arms and legs. There he is, smiling. There you are, smiling. Big boy. Did y'all hear that noise? Can you make that noise again? Tell your grandma in Texas hi. Say hi, like grandma. Tell her hi. There's his dimple. There's his dimple. Wonder if they can hear that on the video. Telling your grandma hi and Big Daddy hi. Rob makes this go at the same time and I'll look at both. Make that go.
Hey, big boy. I see you. I see you.
You want to see him, Tally?
Here.
Right down here, Tally.
Let's take your pants off so they can see your cute little fat legs.
Can you kick him?
Kick those legs. I see you kick those legs.
Here's Tally looking at his
Get down,
big
Tally.
brother.
Get down. Get down.
Kick your legs. There you go. Kick him. Tally, no.
Oh,
Good boy.
hold it like you said.
Kick him. Kick him. There you go. Here's Tally looking at his big brother.
Little brother.
Little brother. I get them confused. Kick your legs. It's because it's wet. He gets all the wet ones. There he is. Look at him kicking. Kick your legs. Show Grandma and Big Daddy what you can do. Yes, Tally. Yes, Tally. Let's get you smiling one more time. Get it. He sees it, so he's not smiling. Are you about done?
What do you see, big boy? What do you see, big boy? No.